Welcome back to our channel. Today's hot and exclusive news for the Beirut explosion. This is as death toll races after blast, a search for answers and survivors. This is live updates. Thank you for watching us and being continue here with us. We are going to giving some exclusive news for you. Here is the what you are need to know. SARS is one for survival after blast kills more than 100. This is someone 3 lakh people have been displaced from their homes, but amid the devastation, stories of heroism. The science behind the blast, why fertilizer is so dangerous. Even as hospitals were destroyed and staff member killed, doctor and nurse raced to help. I was bodied and desert. Beirut strangers treated me like a friend. This is why Beirut explosion rocks Lebanon's capital city. Lebanese authorities declared Beirut a disaster city on Wednesday, according to Lebanon state-run NN News. Cities a statement released by the country's Minister of Information Manad Abdel Samad Najat. A state of emergency has been declared in Beirut for 2 weeks, Najat said in this statement, adding this could be extended. So this was the massive explosion has rocked the part area of Lebanon's capital, Beirut, yesterday. After Beirut explosions, a search for survivors. I can say I have never seen what I say today. The news agencies and people are saying Beirut explosions to the news that one of the half of the city is already damaged and 3 lakh people has displaced for their homes, hospitals, work and otherwise. So this is the very bad and sad news. We don't know why this comes in that place. So this is need to be peace. Thanks for watching us.